Dia de los Muertos is all about death, but this altar incorporates the living into it through a living organism, fungi. We'll tell you about that coming up.
Not only is Day of the Dead about those that remember, but we're seeing a lot of different fashion. We'll give you a closer look at some of the makeup and headbands that we saw today.
The 12th annual Dia de los Muertos at Hemisphere is brought to you by your San Antonio area Chevy dealers.
Welcome back. We are taking a look at all of the unique altars. They're really the corazon of the event, and we wanted to show you some of the very unique ones. Right now, we are at the Central Texas Mycological Society, who are honoring passed away mycologists, but also they say the purpose of their altar is to educate the community about who they are and what they do.
Really, with this mushroom, I wanted it to be a bio-art piece, get the community involved, and also be an educational talking point. This is something that I'm a participant in the Muertos Fest each year, and I've seen the altars, and never really honored nature and plants and the scientists that have studied it, destigmatized it, and brought it into the world. My name is Sydney Abeda. I'm with the Central Texas Mycology Society. We have members in Austin, San Antonio, Houston, actually some members based in different countries. We are growing out our San Antonio chapter, and we like to say we are spreading our spores here. Mushrooms are just so intriguing, that the fact that they grow off of dead things. It's a full circle of life organism, the fungi. With Dia de los Muertos, we are honoring full circle life and death. This traditional holiday is inviting the dead and honoring and remembering that. And so with mushrooms as a natural item that grows from the dead, blending that interconnectedness with new life, renewal, and the important part that it plays in our ecosystem. So we will be constructing a 6-foot tall amanita mushroom, and we will be creating myco skulls out of mushroom blocks. These are our mushroom blocks. These are the myco skulls. These are silicone molds, and what we're going to do is grow from the blocks mushrooms in here, dehydrate them, dry them out, and have them surrounding the altars. We'll also have frames honoring passed away mycologists, some local, some nationwide, to pay respect to those who have pursued the scientific research of mushrooms, education, and destigmatization.
And here are those fungi calaveras. So they took the molds of a calavera and grew actual fungi into it. So this is actually really cool. It's like a living part of their altar. And here's that life-size mushroom that they talked about. And of course, this isn't a real mushroom. Most of it's made out of paper mâché, but they did incorporate some mushroom paper into it. Pretty cool stuff out here. Erica, what are you up to?
The colors, the makeup, the